Tucked away in a private setting, yet just minutes to town, this rustic 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home near Ottumwa, Iowa, delivers the acreage you've been searching for. With over 2,000 square feet of living space, pride of ownership shows throughout. Vaulted ceilings, pine hardwood floors, and a classic wood-burning fireplace sets the tone. The spacious kitchen impresses with Amish hand-built cabinetry, soapstone countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, you'll find a cozy office nook, a full bath, and an additional bedroom. The walkout lower level offers a huge bonus room opening to a patio, a non-conforming bedroom, and a flexible area perfect for a future 4th bedroom or keep it as generous storage space. Outdoor living is easy, with a welcoming covered front porch, a maintenance-free vinyl deck, and a partially covered rear porch. A standout 24x52 detached garage is partially insulated and includes a heated and cooled workshop, ideal for projects, vehicles, and equipment. Access is effortless. The property sits just off of a hard surface road and features a concrete driveway to help keep vehicles clean. Acreage, privacy, and convenience rarely come together like this. Homes like this are hard to find. Schedule your private showing today. My name is Danny Fain, and I'm proudly representing Land Guys here in Southeast Iowa.